With automakers offering a broad range of options that combine functionality, style, and cutting-edge technology, the SUV market in 2025 is more dynamic than ever. Three-row SUVs are among the most popular models and are the preferred option for families, adventurers, and anyone else who needs additional seating without sacrificing comfort or functionality. The newest three-row SUVs meet contemporary demands like never before, thanks to features like advanced safety and fuel efficiency. Discover what makes the 2025 lineup of three-row SUVs so intriguing, and which models are worth keeping an eye on. Hi guys, welcome to Finest Vehicles. Today, we will look at the best three-row SUVs in 2025. The GMC Acadia has a potent 2.5-liter turbo engine, 7 seats, and contemporary technology. With a starting price of $44,295, it gets 20 city and 27 highway miles per gallon. Its impressive cargo capacity and roomy seating make it competitive with the Honda Pilot and Kia Telluride, thanks to its more than 10-inch length increase. A 15-inch infotainment screen with integrated Google and Apple CarPlay, as well as optional Super Cruise hands-free driving technology, are among the noteworthy features. The Acadia is a good, family-friendly option in 2025 because of its turbo engine, which performs better than many competitors despite the lack of hybrid or V6 options. Unlike most three-row SUVs, the Mazda CX-90 offers a more thrilling ride thanks to its sport-tuned steering, sharp handling, and turbocharged engines. It has all-wheel drive as standard and gets 24 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. It starts at $42,400. Efficiency is increased with an optional plug-in hybrid, which can travel up to 26 miles on electricity. The CX-90's interior features premium materials and luxury-level refinement that rivals that of European brands. But its limited cargo space, crowded third row, and smaller cabin make it less useful. Additionally, the outdated infotainment system is not as good as rivals like the Toyota Highlander and Kia Telluride. The CX-90 is a strong option for people who value performance and style over space. The Hyundai Santa Fe has plenty of features, a modern design, and seating for 7 people, making it a great value. Its 2.5-liter turbo engine, which starts at $38,115, gets 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. It now has a third row and a unique, boxy exterior after a significant redesign. The Santa Fe has 20% less cargo space than the Hyundai Palisade, but is smaller and less expensive. It is also easier to maneuver. It offers a fuel-efficient hybrid option and excels in comfort and third-row roominess. The Santa Fe is still a great choice for people looking for a reasonably priced, moderately sized SUV, even though the engine can make a loud noise when you accelerate quickly. The Kia EV9 is a remarkable all-electric three-row SUV with premium features, seating for 6 people, and a starting price of $65,395. It offers a quiet, comfortable ride, good performance from all-wheel drive options, and the interior space of a full-size SUV. The EV9 is still a great choice because of its cutting-edge technology and much cheaper price compared to competitors like the Rivian R1S and Tesla Model X. The Hyundai Ioniq 7, Toyota BZ5X, and Volkswagen ID Buzz are competitors, but the EV9 has a longer range than many of its peers. It's a popular option for families switching to electricity because it strikes the ideal balance between affordability and usefulness. The Lexus GX blends luxurious features with tough off-road capabilities. It has 7 seats, starts at $69,250, and has a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that gets 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway when mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. The GX, which is built on a sturdy, lighter frame, has a 9,000-pound towing capacity, cutting-edge off-road technology, and new overtrail models with all-terrain tires, lockable differentials, and more ground clearance. It has a contemporary infotainment system, the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, and a hybrid version will be added soon. For individuals who want luxury and off-road capability in one package, this redesigned SUV is ideal. A three-row luxury SUV with a starting price of $60,050, the all-new Lexus TX can accommodate 6 passengers and comes with 3 different powertrain options: a 2.4-liter turbocharged i4, a hybrid TX 500h, and a plug-in hybrid TX 550h Plus with a 33-mile electric range. Constructed with a longer wheelbase than the now-defunct RXL, the TX boasts a roomy cabin, a cozy third row for 2 passengers, and plenty of cargo space. A 14-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard, and a 21-speaker Mark Levinson audio system is an optional upgrade. Taking on competitors such as the Volvo XC90, Lincoln Aviator, and Acura MDX, the TX appeals to families because it blends luxury, high-end technology, and functionality. With a starting price of just under $80,000, the all-electric Volvo EX90 is a flagship 3-row luxury SUV with 7 seats, a range of more than 300 miles, and cutting-edge safety features like LiDAR sensors for improved lane and obstacle detection. With the help of dual-motor all-wheel drive systems, it strikes a balance between safety and performance. The EX90 has a large vertical touchscreen and a sleek, Tesla-inspired interior, while the exterior still has Volvo's distinctive Thor's hammer headlights. With a lower starting price and the ability to qualify for federal tax credits for certain models, the EX90 stands out among luxury EVs such as the BMW iX and Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. The EX90 is a key component of Volvo's plan to switch to an all-electric lineup by 2030. The 2025 Ford Explorer is a 6- or 7-seat SUV with new styling, an improved interior, and cutting-edge technology with a starting price of $43,450. It comes with 2 potent engines, including a 400-horsepower EcoBoost V6 and optional 4-wheel drive. It is available in 4 trim levels: Platinum, ST Line, ST, and Active. With a 13.2-inch touchscreen, a Google-based infotainment system, and cutting-edge driver assist features like Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving, the Explorer stands out in the crowded 3-row SUV market. The Explorer is still a popular option for families because of its updated appearance and usefulness. The Buick Enclave, which starts at $48,795, combines its recognizable roominess and practicality with upgraded luxury, cutting-edge technology, and improved performance. With 3 trim levels, it can accommodate 7 people and is now bigger and more elegant. High-end finishes, a 30-inch touchscreen, and Super Cruise hands-free driving are some of the main upgrades. A turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces more horsepower and torque and is paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission for improved efficiency and faster performance has replaced the previous V6. The new continuous damping control improves ride comfort on higher trims, while the 5,000-pound towing capacity and optional all-wheel drive preserve versatility. Which one would you like to own? Give your opinion in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more of the best new vehicle videos here at Finest Vehicles.